that's the business.
It will take more than one person, more than five to win games. You know we need each other, so we make sure we let each other know every game we have to sacrifice ourselves in order to obtain a team goal. And, it takes the heart of a lion to conquer a jungle.
Nag-team building kami, nag-train kami sa States. At the same time, may bonding na rin ng team.
Together kami sa team on and off, parang yung bonding namin, parang magkakapatid na.
Dito ako masaya, hindi kumpleto yung day mo pag wala kang nahawakang bola.
Ang pinakamalaki challenge na tapat sa akin parang ngayong taon na to kasi galing kami sa talo ng last year season ng championship, kaya more pressure sa shoulder namin.
Nung simulan na natalo kami sa championship last year, every game tinitreat namin na as a championship game.
Yung tradition namin being as a champion, kailangan na mabalik yun at kailangan namin makuha yung championship this year.
Kailangan namin i-beat yung mga mabibigat na teams sa league namin, and hindi naman basta-basta lang ibibigay sa amin yung win na yun.
Go hard kami palagi, then times 2 namin yung work hard namin last year para makuha ulit yung championship.
More passionate than anyone could ever see. I mean, you would have to be in our practice, in our scrimmages, next to Coach Frank Elam himself to actually feel the passion, Even in every game, in our huddles, in our timeouts, in our dreams. I'm sure everyone's dreams, we're dreaming about the championship.
Gutom kami sa championship. Last year, talo kami. Marami pang up and down last year. Hindi na namin mahintay yung main event.
Sobrang excited mo, parang gusto ko na makalaban, parang gusto mo na mag-skipan yung ibang team na ito na, championship na, ganito, ganyan. Gutom na gutom. Kakarnihin namin sila.
In fact, I get my hoes in Tessa, peep game like a referee, and so